Hey guys, this is Paco Manel back with another video, and I'm sure you've noticed that recently mechanical keyboards have become the hot topic in the tech world because a lot of new budget boards have been released and mechanical keyboards have been getting cheaper and cheaper by the day. So with all these new keyboards and new switch manufacturers and brands, it's very easy to get confused. So today I have three variations of my favorite clicky mechanical switch. I'm going to be comparing the Gateron Blue, Cherry Amex Blue, and Razer Green switch. So be ready for a lot of sound and typing tests in this video. Let's get started.
For the Gateron Blue, it has an actuation force of 60 grams, an actuation point of 2.3 millimeters, and a lifespan of 50 million strokes. For the Cherry MX Blue, it has an actuation force of 60 grams, an actuation point of 2.2 millimeters, and a lifespan of 50 million strokes as well. For the Razer Green, it has an actuation force of 55 grams, an actuation point of 1.9 millimeters, and a lifespan of 60 million strokes. So here's what I learned after completing this typing experiment, and I did not expect this result at all. My favorite of the three switches is the Gateron Blue variant. It just feels so much lighter and clickier than both Razer Green and Cherry MX Blue. I could feel that I could type faster on the Gateron Blues, and it definitely required less force to actuate. That said, it is quite loud, even louder than the Cherry MX switch in my case. Cherry MX comes in at a close second, but it still feels heavier than the Gateron Blue, which is surprising because Gaterons are supposed to be clones of Cherry MX switches, and I expected Cherry MX switches to feel better. Razer Green switches are my least favorite as they are the heaviest switch to type on, and the clicky sound seems more muted than both Gateron and Cherry MX.
But even after taking all this data into consideration, it still boils down to personal preference at this point. Do you prefer a lighter, louder switch, or do you prefer a heavier, quieter switch? Let me know in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. As always, I'm your host, Paco Manel, and I'll catch you in a future video.